In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for a seller account on Alibaba.com, complete your company profile, and manage your product listings to effectively start selling on this global e-commerce platform. Let's dive in and explore each step of this process in detail to ensure that you can set up your seller account smoothly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to visit Alibaba's official website. Once there, locate the option to register as a seller. You'll find this typically in the header or footer of the page. It's important to have a valid email address and phone number on hand, as these will be required during the registration process. After clicking the registration link, follow the prompts to enter your details, creating a strong and secure password. Remember to choose a password that you can easily recall, but is also difficult for others to guess. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, you will receive a confirmation email. Ensure that you open this email and click on the link provided to verify your account and activate your seller profile. After successfully registering, the next crucial step is completing your company profile. This is where you'll want to shine. It's essential to provide comprehensive, accurate information about your business, as this builds trust with potential buyers. Include your business name, address, and contact information, and don't forget to select the appropriate business category that best describes your offerings. At this stage, verifying your business credentials is important. This involves providing some documentation to Alibaba to authenticate your business. It's typically a smooth process, but having electronic copies of business licenses or similar documents handy can speed things up. Verification not only adds credibility to your profile, but also unlocks additional features within Alibaba that can benefit your selling experience. With your account and profile fully set up, it's time to list your products. Start by uploading high-quality images that effectively showcase your items. Good lighting and clear, detailed shots are key. Next, write detailed product descriptions. Be as precise as possible, including specifications, materials, and any unique features your products boast. Remember, potential customers often rely on these descriptions to make informed decisions, so clarity and accuracy will pay off. Also, consider including keywords that customers might use when searching for products like yours, as this can enhance your visibility within the platform. Now, let's discuss setting your pricing and shipping terms. Carefully consider your cost structure to ensure that your pricing is competitive but also profitable. Clearly state your shipping terms, including regions you deliver to, shipping methods available, and estimated delivery times to avoid any misunderstandings later on. Finally, you'll want to master managing inquiries and orders using Alibaba's communication tools. Be prompt and professional in your responses to inquiries to build solid customer relationships. Utilize Alibaba's messaging system to keep all your communication organized in one place. Efficient handling of inquiries and orders can lead to repeat business and positive reviews, which are invaluable for growing your presence on the platform. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully operating as a seller on Alibaba.com. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to watch our other videos for more tips and insights on enhancing your online selling journey.